Hi everyone! Today we're exploring one of my favourite Montessori values, teaching gratitude and empathy. Believe it or not, even 3-year-olds can learn kindness and compassion through everyday moments. Children learn gratitude by watching us. Say thank you sincerely, not just for gifts, but for effort. Thank you for helping me set the table. Thank you for being patient while I finished cooking. Gratitude isn't a lesson, it's a lifestyle. Encourage your child to care for plants, feed a pet, or help a sibling. These small responsibilities nurture empathy naturally. Read stories about feelings and kindness. Afterward, ask questions like, how do you think that character felt? You can also model empathy by acknowledging emotions in real time. That boy fell down. Let's see if he's okay. Avoid forcing, say thank you. Instead, create opportunities for it to come naturally. For example, have your child hand someone a homemade card or a drawing. It connects giving with joy. Empathy starts small, with gentle words, helping hands, and the feeling of being cared for. When we raise grateful, empathetic kids, we're raising humans who make the world softer and kinder. If this inspired you, hit like and subscribe for more Montessori tips on nurturing hearts and minds.